After my first attempt at a homemade smashburger, I've been 100% convinced it won't be my last. The first thing I did was grind my own meat. You don't need to do this, but if you do, it will level up your burger game immediately. Chuck was the cut I went for. I was looking for a fat ratio of 20% plus. Cut the steaks into chunks and put it through your grinder on a coarse grind. Freezing the chunks of meat, as well as the actual grinder for 20 minutes or so beforehand, helps massively. After grinding, I portioned my meat into 60-gram balls. Before grilling, I had to get some burger sauce ready. This meant chopping up a couple of onions and caramelising them real slowly. This was a huge part of what made this burger so good. Get some mayo, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, your caramelised onions, a bunch of chopped chives, and some chopped cornichons into a bowl and give them a good mix. To cook the burgers, you need a ripping hot surface. I use this flat griddle pan, but you can just use a heavy bottom pan if that's what you've got. Now all you've got to do is smash the burger balls into the griddle pan. I added some finely sliced onions to the mix last minute. You're mostly going to let it cook on one side until it's almost completely cooked through, so you can get an immense crust on one side. After flipping, I popped a few jalapenos and some American cheese slices to mine. Now for building this beauty. This whole thing is nothing without a great bun, and that's exactly what this Japanese milk bun is. Lovingly apply your burger sauce to both sides of your toasted bun. Lay down a few pieces of token lettuce, place a perfect slice of tomato and season with flaky salt. Top with your 1, 2 or 3 patties. And finally, give this burger the crown it deserves and marvel in its greatness.